Hi guys, for today's video I'm just going to do a sit down and show you guys my latest book haul. I've got Loxie right here. I've never actually filmed this close to the couch before. Usually I'm way back there, but I thought you guys might like to see Loxie, and for whatever reason when I was pulling her bed out of my room this morning, I just kind of dropped it right here and then she got right into it, so I just didn't move it because she looks cozy. Alright, so the first thing that I actually want to talk about before I get into this, there's going to be no editing in this, so you guys know sometimes I struggle with that, but I'm actually having laptop issues. I've been mentioning this on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, I let you guys know whether or not videos will be up on my channel most of the time. Sometimes I do use the YouTube post method where it just like drops a note and it should be in your subscription feed. That way you're, not waiting for a video, because my schedule for my vlog is I post every day. So, but like I said, I've been having laptop issues. I use two different laptops, one for my main channel, one for this vlog channel. And they're, honestly, both the laptops are not even remotely equipped to handle the kind of graphics that I need. So they just take a long time to do any like sort of playback, rendering, upload. And I've known this obviously for a while, and I knew that I wanted to upgrade my equipment, but then when I moved it just became like this whole thing, so it was gonna be an expense that I was just gonna do in the beginning of the year. But my main laptop for my main channel like basically crashed, and because of that I've been having to use my vlog laptop to edit for my main channel, so it's been unfortunately been making the vlogs the back burner, if you will. So anyhow, I'm hoping that there's actually still going to be 2 videos up for Saturday, but this is going to be Sunday's video. But anyways, I digress. So I do have a new computer coming in for my main channel. Hopefully it's getting delivered on Monday, so we'll see. Okay, anyways, I thought that just because it'll be easier to do like no editing, all I have to do is honestly just drop it into the software and then just do an upload instead of having to go through, watch myself, cut, all of those things. So I decided to do a huge purchase on eBay for Eloisa James. So that is the third novelist that I've been working on from a romance novel perspective, and I have a huge haul. I have actually a seller on eBay that I really love, so I'll link them down below. And most of their books are like $3, which I think is such a steal. Even if I like went to half price books, I feel like it still would be cheaper on eBay. And sometimes the seller does like buy 3 get 15% off too. So anyways, okay, I'm very excited to honestly start reading Eloisa James. I printed out the list of all of her novels, and that's how I was like searching for them on eBay and then crossing them off once I ordered them. But I was very excited because the titles really intrigued me. They seemed really interesting, and she's definitely a historical romance author, which is my favorite. So anyways, here is this one, which automatically is very different from all the others I've been hauling. When Beauty Tamed the Beast. So I love that. I hope it kind of has a play on Beauty and the Beast. I imagine that it does, and I love that. I love whenever anyone does like a spin-off of like a Disney princess, I guess. This one is called Desperate Duchess, Desperate Duchess, and then the flap, which I really like. Interesting how short this is. I don't know. It's very bizarre. But that one looks good. Here, An Affair Before Christmas. I'm telling you, something about Eloisa James's like titles and covers are very different from Joanna Lindsey and Julie Garwood. Not that that's better or worse. it's just, I'm excited for maybe seeing like a different writing style. And this one is A Kiss at Midnight. Okay, is she doing the thing? Is this Belle and is this Cinderella? Like what? This is very intriguing. Like I've talked about in all of like my past book hauls, so if you're new to my vlog or if you don't catch every vlog, I've been doing a lot of book hauls. Also, I quickly mentioned in a vlog somewhere that I made different plans for the library. I'm going to be changing out the bookshelves, so that's going to happen most likely in January. And then we're going to try to finish the library by February. So I'm very excited. This one is Duchess by Night. That's an interesting title. Plus, first time I've seen like an emerald cover, and I love it. Her dress, the background, everything is emerald, and I'm here for it. Oh, it's saucy on the inside. This one, oh, P.S. I just started Stranger Things, and when I tell you guys, I was dying when Mrs. Wheeler, Nancy and Mike's mom, was in the bathtub with all the candles reading a romance novel, and the husband was downstairs snoring on the armchair. I lost my mind. I was just like, I don't know why, but that was so funny to me. This one is called Your Wicked Ways. Interesting. And Kiss Me, Annabelle. This one has a flap. Kiss Me, Annabelle. Love that. I'm always intrigued by like the name of the characters too. And then this one is called Pleasure for Pleasure. My God, that cover is unfortunate. I would rather something like this and then the flap, you know, just in case like I want to take my book with me wherever maybe I need to be or something. But anyways, Duchess in Love. Oh, it looks like there's a flap, but there's not. And then this is the set that got me really excited. This one's called 3 Weeks with Lady X. So she has a few books where it has like a number attached to it, and I'll show you what I mean. So like this one's 3 Weeks with Lady X, so that's an awesome title. Here's another one, 4 Nights with the Duke. And whenever at least my experience with Joanna, Julie, and Eloisa James, they always have like cluster of books that kind of go together that they write in, you know, meant to be like a little set or a series, I guess you could say. So the number ones was part of like a set together. So anyways, 4 Nights with the Duke. There's another one too. Let's see if I can find it. This one says Say No to the Duke, which is hilarious. And this is The Wilds of Lindo Castle. So this one goes with the Wilds series, which is, I guess, some brothers with that wild name. So I'm trying to complete that collection. Here is Say Yes to the Duke, another wild series. That's funny. Say no and then say yes. I love that. Already, I have not read a single word from this woman, and I feel like her covers and titles have been by far the best. Content? I don't know that anybody can beat Joanna Lindsay, but listen, here is, and this is the last book, by the way, 7 Minutes in Heaven. So this is part of the number thing that she was doing. So I did not complete the collection, by the way. I didn't pull my list. It's in my office, but I think that Eloisa James actually might have the most set of books. I don't know. She might be up there with Joanna Lindsay, but I have found that Julie Garwood hasn't really done too many, but I'm not sure who's done more. Julie Garwood's done about 30 novels-ish, 36 novels, and Joanna Lindsay's done a lot, but maybe she's up there in the 30s and 40s too. Alright, so that's the haul. Let me just show you guys all of the books, and I'm very excited. I can't wait to get, you know, the new bookshelves and start like the full real organization process. Plus, I feel like I don't just want all romance novels. This is where I need your help. I really do also like the young adult stuff as well. I love like the Twilight, the Hunger Games. Those are amazing. The Court of Thorns. Oh my, if you've never read Court of Thorns. But I'm still trying to figure out other style of books that I might enjoy. Is there anything that's like fun murder mystery, not anything scary or just too deep, too dark? Also, I really, really loved Julie Garwood's modern or contemporary series where she did like all the FBI romance books. Is there another author that does like contemporary, like modern today's date, where it's like FBI and, you know, that kind of romance? Is there an author like that that writes a lot of those? Comment down below what you think that I definitely need to put into my bookshelves. So anyways, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.